Hello and welcome to midday.com. I'm Anjali, and with me today I have this one of the fittest Bollywood stars that we have seen over the years, who has been inspiring so many of us in so many years. That's none other than Mr. Suniel Shetty. Sunil sir, welcome to midday.com.
Thank you, Anjali.
When we talk about fitness, you are one inspiration, and I think many people look up to you. Many guys want to have that kind of physique that you have always maintained till date. Tell me, and also for some of them it is like, they want to get really buffed up and all that, and they do take supplements. How much would you advocate of supplements? Because I have also heard that they are safe
You
at
know,
times, and it's not always harmful.
no,
Is it true?
supplements are safe. Anabolic steroids are not safe. Supplement is also depends on what kind of supplements you are taking and how much your body needs. Overdoing anything is not right. But when you talk about supplements, the vitamins, the proteins are something that is absolutely necessary to save muscle mass and work on fat and not the other way around. So when you are training hard, you need to eat right. Food can be the major factor that plays a big hand. So eating right, knowing about nutrition is right, and then balancing your diet with the right kind of supplements is important.
In your 50s, you're so fit. You have always been fit. I really want to know what is that mantra that keeps Sunil Shetty going so strong and fit. And it's amazing to see you. Like, it's hard to believe that you have two grown up children.
Thank you. The thing is, I think I am a perfect balance of eating right and training right. I eat right. I make sure that my meals are good. I don't overeat. I've done yoga every single day. So these are the basics things that I follow. I'm very strict when it comes to my workouts and everything else, because that is the most important thing for me. You can't say you're training and eat any kind of junk food. Food matters. Food matters. Food is 70% of everything else. Supplements, training, everything is only if you're eating right. Supplements is only if you're training right, only if you're conscious of something. Otherwise nothing works for you.
Any types of diets, we hear a lot of diets that we keep, hearing about and reading about them. So, what do you have to say about that? There's like intermittent diet, there's keto diet, there's a hell lot of diets that's just doing the rounds.
No special diet for me, because I'm someone who's maintained myself throughout, and I don't see any reason of going on a diet. I believe I would never call it diet anyways. I would also always call it eating right. You don't need to diet to get a great body. You need to eat right and train right to get a great body.
And any workout regime or any training that you really swear by, and you have done that like over the years, and you still want to stick to that, what's that?
My old school Arnold Schwarzenegger training of weight training, which includes 15 minutes of cardio every day, and then two body parts. I train hard, I train light. I separate the muscles. It could be chest and bicep, shoulder and tricep, back and legs, and minimum 24 to 30 sets, minimum 10 to 15 reps, no resting between, max 30 to 45 seconds between my reps. But other than that, at it. I am at it every single day. I don't tire. Even if I'm tired, I go down, sit down in the gym, but I'll go there. So I hit 5 to 7 days, 5 to 6 days a week training, a minimum of 5 days a week. So it's important that you train regularly to achieve what you want to achieve. If you find it monotonous, change your routine, do something different, play a sport, run outside, cycle, swim, break your routine and come back.
So does Sunil Shetty have a secret that, really, it's like a magical secret maybe that really works for you, that you would want to share this time?
Yeah, keep it simple. Believe that it is possible. Don't let anybody scare you when you go to the gym. Don't get a complex when you see someone training hard, because that person has been it for a long time. Training is something, the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it, and you will come out a champion. It's not necessary that you have to do XYZ. Like, I do anything. I used to spin for some time. I enjoyed playing a sport, so I played a sport. I do different things. It's important to keep yourself happy and engaged and have fun in the gym. have a partner with you, a friend of yours who likes to go to the gym. You'll have more fun. He or she will inspire you. So do all that.
And when you see, like, on social media, or when you look around and when you see the youngsters who are training and who are at it, just to, keep fit and all, do you think any trend that you see which you really don't approve of, or you would have, if you given a chance, you would try to educate them on that? Anything that you have noticed?
Abuse of drugs, anabolic steroids. Steroids give you phenomenal results, but that is something that I would not advise people to go into it, because there's a science behind it, and science or no science, I would not recommend it. Pushing supplements and pushing athletes to do things that are banned, that might enhance your performance, but today, tomorrow, day after, you are going to get caught, and the system is going to catch up with you. So that's something I don't recommend at all.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.